Well, alright, friends, subscribers, and strangers, what's up? Just another day in the life of a reseller. So here I am. I'm about to ship a couple eBay items, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. We'll talk about paying closer attention to your returns and an item that I've been using that I picked up at the yard sales that I forgot to show you this weekend. So, hey, if I got a fun-filled few minutes for you guys, stay tuned. We'll see you on the other side of the da-na-na-na-na. Alright, so where do we start? How about the returns? That was, a lot of you watched the returns. So this guy here, I told you, came back. I didn't pay enough attention to realize that I thought they had kept the charger. Talk bad about an Amazon customer. I didn't pay close enough attention. The charging cable is in there. So this thing is actually brand new, never used. They never took the cable out. They never did anything. I will not resell it to sell it on Amazon. You can't. It's got, you can see with a tape seal, it's kind of a funky shape. So that's going to go eBay open box because it truly is open box. It just, the seals are broken. It's never been used. I tested the other one because the cable was loose. I've got two of these now, and it works fine. It sounds great. So I'm going to list both these. One open box, one used. So it irritates me when people do not follow item condition guidelines. And maybe that's from doing so much Amazon. You think they pound in your head that, you know, new is new is new is new. You know, you want to know a secret to surviving in this business. One of the best things I can tell you is accurately describe your items. Put them in the correct condition. You will have much less return, much less issues with customers. You know, you under promise, over deliver. You know, if there's something that makes you consider something, tell them there's something wrong. Tell them there's a spot on it. Tell them whatever. Tell them the correct condition. This one I thought, man, this is a home run. This guy here, paid $3 for it. It came back, and I'm just gonna send it back in. But it has staple holes in it, so they actually did open it because the staples are gone. So I'm gonna sell this on eBay open box because if you look at the little guys here, these little Noatrons, they never use them because the plastic in there, you can't see it, but you can hear it. They never pulled the plastic out for the batteries. So the batteries are still good. They're still good. I want to put, there's only like one. Somebody was $150 for this thing on Amazon. Are they on crack? I got 60. That's asking a little much. So that's going to go open on eBay. Alright, so let's clear up this guy here. This is made by a company called, I've already got it dirty again, Jawbone. It's a special edition because it's the white color. It's the small jam box. I'm trying to think of Jawbone, Jawbone. They make a lot of Bluetooth headsets. Very good sound quality. So I've got it connected. I've been listening to Pandora on this thing. Sounds really, really good. So yeah, that I paid $5 for it. It's worth $30. Maybe I did show it. Did I show? I don't think I showed it in the video. That was at the yard sale that the lady that I got the wine condoms, and everything had a eBay listing on it, except for that. All right, shipping. People ask me, which printers do I use for shipping? I use the Dymo 4XL, and to make my life easier when I'm switching between Amazon labels and the shipping labels for eBay or for Amazon for the shipping, I bought the extra spool. You can get these for $20 on Dymo.com. Man, it makes life easier when all you do is take the paper out and you've got a different spool and you slide it right in. It's just a time saver. It makes life, instead of having to undo it all, make sure you got it tight, make sure you got it on the right way because it only goes one way. The other way, I'll put it in upside down. It won't print. So yeah, you guys will see me ship a bunch of these. I think this is the last one of this particular color. It's called Milan. It's Alabama. Milan. So this is the easiest thing I've got. The easiest thing I ship at all. Don't have to weigh them. I bought these just for that because I had over 100 sets. Alright. And that's 3 ounces. That was tough, wasn't it? The next one, on the other hand, I sold this snow globe. $10 to ship it. It's going to Kentucky. I got $19.99, so $30.94 total. Picked this up at Walgreens clearance last year when it was 90% off. And so I paid $1.69 for this. Oh, was I giving out secrets that you can do retail arbitrage to eBay again? Damn it, Bearded. So it's 7 inches tall and and 5.5 inches wide. So I need a box because I'm gonna bubble wrap this. So I need a box that's much bigger than a lot of things you can get away with. You know, just a little padding. There's no damage. I've shipped tons of those, but that you need some space. You need something so you can put some padding in it. That was a 12 by 6 by 6 by 6. Here we go. This one's 10 by 8 by 6. This is your reminder that when you watch this video, you're at the end of September. You've got 6 days to use your coupon. If you have a store the $20 level or above, you get a coupon code for free shipping supplies. You've got a week to use them. So if you haven't used it yet, a lot of people go ahead and use it right to start. So 10. So on the little guy here, I'll put this at 20. We'll give us 5 inches on each side. Y'all like my paper tape dispenser? It doesn't matter if y'all like it because I love it. It really holds very, very well. And so now this guy here, I've got a couple inches up all the way around. So let's can somebody remind me to order some bubble wrap? I'm starting to get low. Because this is the last time I'll think about it until I run out. And then I'll be going, man, who was in charge of that? Yeah. The one thing with being the only employee in your business, guess who's in charge of that? Same person who does advertising, who does hiring, who does shipping, who does listing. Yeah. Alright, so there's still a touch of space here. I don't think it'll move. But we're gonna get one. We're gonna get a couple more pieces just. I really don't want any problems with this thing. The thing that really causes damage in these things is movement. So, yeah. It is in there. The one really nice thing I like about the paper tape dispenser is, you know, you've got the right length of tape coming back. And when the handle goes back, that thing auto cuts, which is really, really nice. Alright. And the other nice thing about this thing is going pirate ship is when you use the boxes, they got you already know what size they are, just save you time in measuring. But we need the weight on it. Why did we put the scales up? So let's see. Any guesses on the word? My guess is 2 pounds, like 15 ounces. How about 2 pounds, 14 ounces? I didn't weigh that ahead of time. Y'all saw me put it in the box. Hey, but you're good, right? That's the one thing I'll tell you, and I talk about that on the show, is we gotta fix that, don't we? Is once you've started shipping is the hardest thing to learn on eBay, but once you have shipped so much stuff, I've been doing eBay since 2000, part-time for most of that, just piddling around, and then full-time's 2013 to 14, and then piddling ever since. I sell, I don't know, between 1,500 and 2,000 a month on eBay, so it's eBay does well. So on this one, we're going to go right through the eBay shipping. I have it open for you guys. So you're just going to change that to 3 ounces. I don't like the new stuff. So anyway, this MacBook will open the label up in a PDF, which is sometimes, I don't know why that one over there downloads it. This one over here doesn't. I don't know what I've done different on those. Okay. It says the printer is not connected. The printer, when I picked it up, it came unplugged. The printer, the dynamos have a blue light on the front of them. If the blue light's not on, she's not connected. It does. Does anybody else get false reads like that with the dynamo? Every now and then it'll tell you it's not connected, and you have to restart it. Y'all see, y'all are not the only ones that screw around and mess up. Damn it! Bearded. So yeah, y'all just watch me put the label for that one on this one. Oops. No editing to fix that one, sorry. And this one we're going to go to Pirate Ship. If you're not using Pirate Ship for cubic shipping, why do you watch my videos? I tell you the secrets. I tell you how to save money. Pirate Ship. Connect it to your eBay account. Log me in Pirate Ship. Tell it to eBay import. It's telling me Nightmare for Disney. Get rates. So all you're going to do is put the 10 by 8 by 6. She weighs 2 pounds, 15 ounces. 15, 13, it's a range, so over 2 pounds. Cubic shipping from here to Kentucky, $7.99. So that means if it switched to cubic, that means I saved money over priority. So I saved money on this guy. I don't know how much. Let's see. I ain't gonna be able to get it. Oh well. It's probably $1 or $2. Then it's gonna come tell you to download the label. I have Adobe, open it right up, print it out. So the one thing we were talking about the other day on the show, Tuesday, was give yourself a little bit of freedom. Yesterday, I sold actually I sold it. It sold Tuesday on the show. And so I packaged it up yesterday and forgot to drop it at the post office. So it'll go today in just a minute with these guys, but because I have 3 days handling, no problem. I was under no pressure, no stress. It's just a day later. And so that's what's going on here in Bearded Land. We are Amazon 1, Amazon 2. I got to find a new home for that. That's the 3rd box. And those shoes are going out. So, you know, not only am I shipping eBay, I am also doing Amazon shipments. And then over here hiding behind that came back from Amazon for some reason. There's 2 of them, so I'm going to list those today. And then these guys here, I crunched them, so I'll list those. $3 clearance, I'm going to list that. And I got some IP claims on these guys, so I'll put them on eBay. So I'm going to try to get this whole little stack done today. I'm trying to work it into my schedule where I get five listings done, just so I can get some activity, because the one thing I think can help my eBay sales come up is eBay rewards you in search and their stuff with activity. So I'll let you know how that goes. We'll start doing 4 or 5 items a day, just listing something. So far for the month of September, I've listed 2, so any start is better, right? So tomorrow morning on the new live channel, Bearded Live, I'll put it down below. I'll tell you how many I listed. All right. use my own live show for accountability. Awesome or what? Thanks for watching. Do the YouTubery. I appreciate each and every one of you. We'll see you, if not tomorrow morning, in the next recorded video on this channel. Roll Tide.